Hi everyone. Welcome to this walkthrough of the Advance Project Addon for Odoo, developed by Webbycrown Solutions. I'm your Webbycrown Odoo assistant. In this video, we'll explore all the features of the add-on, from installation and project management to task enhancements, credentials, documents, client estimation, and reporting. Let's begin with installation and setup. The installation process is quick and simple. Once installed, the system checks for required dependencies such as a project, account, and HR modules. From there, you can configure initial settings, adjust access rights, and assign user groups to ensure proper security and permissions. Now let's move on to core project management features. The add-on introduces a project hierarchy system where you can create parent projects and link child projects for better organization. Shared descriptions allow important details to flow across related projects, ensuring consistency. In the Enhanced Project views, you'll notice new tabs and fields inside project forms, plus an easy way to navigate between parent and child projects. Project status tracking is also improved, making it easier to monitor progress at every level. Next, let's explore the task management enhancements. Task management is smarter with this add-on. When creating tasks, you can add completion percentages, assign working employees, and automatically inherit descriptions from parent projects. Task tracking and monitoring includes live updates to completion status, percentage progress tracking, and linked employee assignments. The parent-project relationship is always displayed, giving full context while working on tasks. Now let's review the Credential Management System. This system allows you to securely store and manage project-related credentials. You can start by creating credential types to categorize PEM files, URLs, or login details. In credential management, new credentials are added and linked directly to projects with user-level sharing permissions. Security and access control ensure sensitive data stays safe while remaining accessible to authorized users. Next, let's explore the document management features. The document management system allows you to upload and organize files directly at the project level. You can share documents with specific employees, manage file categories, and control access with permissions. This makes collaboration easier while keeping sensitive information protected. Now let's check the client estimation features. The add-on simplifies estimation by letting you create client estimates tied to projects. You can track expected hours, costs, and set date ranges for accurate planning. This ensures both the company and clients have a clear understanding of project scope and budget. Finally, let's review the reporting and analytics. Reporting is a key highlight of this add-on. The system can generate weekly reports automatically, with options for customization and email distribution. These reports track progress, completion, and performance metrics. The Project Analytics dashboard provides task completion statistics, project progress monitoring, and overall performance insights, helping managers make informed decisions. With that, we've covered all the features of the Advance Project Addon. And that completes our walkthrough of the Advance Project Addon by Webbycrown Solutions. From project hierarchies and task tracking to credential security, document management, client estimations, and analytics, this add-on takes project management to the next level. Thanks for watching. For more information, please contact us at Webbycrown Solutions.